We are back at the car wash. Very exciting day, as you saw in my last video. Hopefully you saw it. My sign came for the automatic, so we are going to install it today. Hopefully it works. We'll see how Edwin does, whether he gets the job done or not. So we're going to drill some holes in the ground for the anchors, and we got to get the power from somewhere. But first of all, we're going to test it and see what it looks like lit up. Wish us luck. Look at all this junk in the room. Oh my God. Whose junk is all this? Smashed up vending machine. Actually, we're gonna get rid of that Monday, so that'll be gone. All the wood. I wanted to throw it out, but it's kind of good quality wood, so Edwin's gonna take it home and build something, build his bed with it. Hell yeah. Wow, look at that. First time lit up.
Looks good, huh?
It looks really
amazing.
cool.
I like it.
It looks even better lit up than not lit up.
Yeah.
So that's what it's going to look like at night time. It's got a photo cell on the back here. Obviously it's covered, but I'm going to uncover it. That's the photo cell. So as soon as the sun goes down and it gets dark, this will come on automatically. It doesn't need a timer. Right. And for now, I mean, Edwin just...
Did like a little Mickey Mouse there.
He Mickey Moused it and Donald Ducked and Pluto'd it all to get it working with the extension cord. Yeah. Just to test it and see how it looks. So there it is. We're gonna drill some holes in the ground. We've got this big, huge drill bit for the concrete. So let's get this thing solid. Good job.
Keep watching.
So with a little pain and struggle, we managed to get the 3 anchors in. Hopefully they're gonna line up perfectly. As Edwin walks across them for some reason. So here we go. We've got the 3 holes in the bottom. Let's put it on and hopefully they slide in nicely. I just want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, MONEXgroup. With MONEXgroup, you only need 1 SIM and 1 router to run the whole car wash, so there's no need to pay a separate internet bill. In my experience, the customer service has been second to none. If there's any questions or issues I have, all I do is call them up and they take great care of me. And of course, I have to mention the availability of installation from coast to coast. So if you want to install a MONEXgroup readers at your business today, simply click the link in my description below and get a hold of them. Now back to the video. All right, look at this. Fit like a glove. And we put those washmajiggies on. Put these big ass nuts on. Put on these nuts. Solid as a rock. I just hope it's in the right position. So the people will obviously pull up here to the pay station and then they get to view it and choose what they want. Express de las Ultimate 6912 with the Lustra Foam Kana Upa Wax. Alright, so it'll take him probably 20 minutes to tighten up these. And then we've got the big archway, but we're not doing the archway today because we're wrecked. But I'm happy that's up. And we'll probably come back tomorrow or the next day and connect the wire in so it can light up. The photo cell, very nice. All right, they are all TAF. They are super tight, super tight. So 50-60 mile an hour winds, bring it on. I am confident that's not gonna end up like this water bottle. Hell yeah, look at that. Very cool, very happy with it. Well, that was it for this video. It's a very short one, but I just wanted to make it to update you guys on how my sign looks officially installed. Like I said, we still have to run the wire to get the photo cell to work, so it lights up at nighttime. We'll do that in the next couple of days. But for now, that's it. We're out here. See you next video.